Hello and welcome to a video on finding an unknown side length, this time using radians. In the previous video we used degrees. So what I've got here is a right angled triangle when we're looking for A, the hypotenuse, and we're given a side length of 6 and an angle of pi by 3 radians. So this 6 is the side length adjacent to the angle, and we know the hypotenuse is A in this case. That's what we want to find. So we'll be using the cosine ratio in this case. So the cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, we have the hypotenuse is equal to A, the adjacent side length is equal to 6, and theta is equal to pi by 3. So what we would have here in this case then is cosine pi by 3 is equal to 6 over A. We can swap the A and this cosine pi by 3 around, which will give us, let's create a bit more room, which will give us A is equal to 6 over cosine pi by 3. And if you were to put this into the calculator, remember what you need to do is make sure it's set on radians and not degrees. It's a very easy mistake to make, and that will give you 12. So that's the answer for that one. Let's try another one now then. So we have again another dodgy triangle, but there's your right angled triangle. So we have this side length as 14. We have this angle as pi by 4, and we want to find B. So we have the adjacent side length is B that we're looking for. We have a side length opposite the angle, so we have opposite, and that is 14, and we know that theta is equal to pi by 4 radians. So this means that we'll be using tan theta in this case, the tan ratio. So let's write this all out. So we would have tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 14 over B. So to get B on its own, again, we just swap the left-hand side with what's in that denominator there. So B is equal to 14 over tan pi by 4. You're going to get bored of me telling you this. Make sure it's in radians when you calculate this, and that will give you 14 as well. So a little bit of a curveball here. Don't be fooled by my dodgy drawings. This side obviously looks a hell of a lot longer than that side, but it is actually, they're supposed to be the same length. I purposely drew this drawing badly so that you'll be able to test it for yourself. But pi by 4 radians is equal to 45 degrees. The angles in a right angled triangle all add up to 180. We already have our 90 here. So if we're given 45 degrees, and that means this is also 45 degrees, or pi by 4 radians. So that means that the side lengths will come out the same as well. So my drawing was a little bit designed to fool you and a little bit rubbish anyway. Okay, right, well, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I shall see you on the next video, which is where I will be looking for an unknown angle, but we're given side length. So lots to look forward to, I'm sure you'll agree. And I shall see you on the next one. Bye.